Welcome to our tutorial on how to pay with Apple Cash in store. This guide will walk you through the process of using Apple Cash to make purchases in physical stores. To get started, you will need an iPhone or Apple Watch with the latest version of iOS or watchOS, as well as a compatible credit or debit card added to your wallet app. First, make sure you have Apple Cash set up on your device. If you do not have Apple Cash, open the Wallet app and tap on the plus sign in the top right corner. Select Apple Cash and follow the prompts to set it up. You will need to agree to the terms and conditions and verify your identity. Once you have Apple Cash set up, you can add funds to your account using a debit or credit card. To do this, open the Wallet app and tap on your Apple Cash card. Tap on the information icon in the top right corner and select Add Money. Enter the amount you want to add and confirm the transaction. To pay with Apple Cash in store, you will need to use your iPhone or Apple Watch. Open the Wallet app and select your Apple Cash card. Tap on the card to open it and then tap on the Pay button. You will be prompted to authenticate the transaction using Face ID, Touch ID, or your passcode. Next, hold your device near the contactless payment terminal and wait for the transaction to be processed. You will receive a confirmation on your device when the payment has been successful. You can also use your Apple Watch to pay with Apple Cash by double-clicking the side button and selecting your Apple Cash card. It is worth noting that not all stores accept Apple Cash, so it is a good idea to check with the store before making a purchase. You can do this by looking for the Apple Pay logo at the checkout or by asking the cashier if they accept Apple Cash. In addition to paying in store, you can also use Apple Cash to make online purchases and send money to friends and family. To do this, open the Messages app and select the Apple Cash icon. Enter the amount you want to send and confirm the transaction. By following these steps, you can easily use Apple Cash to make purchases in store. Remember to always keep your device and account information secure and to only use Apple Cash at participating retailers. With Apple Cash, you can enjoy a convenient and secure way to make payments without the need for cash or physical credit cards.